everyone, it's Stacy from Cranbrook Toyota, and what a beautiful day out. I wanted to jump on here and show you the nicest truck on the lot. Ooh, this one has my heart for sure. If you like all nice things, the Capstone is for you. This one is black. Again, it's the Capstone, so this is going to give you the upgraded interior. Full leather, power side steps. Look at this, memory seats. It's all black and like a cream colored leather. Oh, it is so nice, you guys. Honestly, you have to see it in person to really appreciate it. Absolutely gorgeous. So this one does have your heads-up display, 14-inch display, heated and cooled seats. Oh, look at it. It's just so nice. Let me show you the back seat. No, let's open the back seat. Again, the fit and finish in the Capstone is just it's just next level. Heated and cooled seats in the back even. Power drop-down tailgate. It's got a plug in the back. You just hit it with your knee and up it goes. The black and the chrome is just so beautiful. 360 cameras. This was a manager's demo, so it's got very few kilometers on it, and they are willing to do a crazy, crazy deal on it. Look at this. So nice. So it's got auto dimming high beams, power gas and brake pedals, power tilt. Look at this. Wireless charging pad. Oh. Super nice. It only has 6,100 kilometers. It's got an active camera there. Yeah, there's not too much you can say you don't like about this. Again, my favorite part of the Tundra. The back window goes up and down. So fancy. It's fun. On a warm night, you're cruising around, window down in the back. It's super fun for sure. Tell me what you guys think. What do you think of this interior? Could you get behind the black and ivory colored leather? It feels really nice when you're in here, that's for sure. Adaptive cruise control, lane sense, blind spot monitoring, power folding mirrors, memory seats, auto high beams, heads up display. The list goes on. And again, you guys, this is a manager's demo, so they're going to do a really, really good price on this. It's a 2025. Reach out. I would love to give you some more information. We're paying an extra $1,000 for your trade right now. Reach out and let's get you driving.